natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We're approaching back to positive MACD. We're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in negative MACD. We have yet to test the 100 moving average, this orange line, and that is at the price of $4.69. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $14, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $16.80, and my stop loss is at $13.37. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $18.14, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $14.72, and my stop loss is at $19.66. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 35% chance to climb between 0 to 13%. To the downside has a 60% chance to fall between 0 to negative 13%, and a 5% chance to fall between negative 13 to negative 26%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.